Alright, taking out the floppy drive. I've already taken out the thumb screw and unplugged it from the back. Now what you gotta do is unlock it, and you can just push it right out the front. And that's the floppy drive that no one uses. But I'm gonna put this one back in, because you never know. So put it back in, and just push it back in through the front. Lock it back in place, and plug it back in. And that's how you take out a floppy drive. This is, however, not how you plug it back in. You'd be better at this than I. Okay, I'm done.